when you look at the stars, when you watch the waves of the ocean, when you see the spiral of a shell, you are looking at geometry. But there is one symbol that holds all of it, the Sri Yantra. It is called the geometry of the universe. The Sri Yantra is made of 9 interlocking triangles, 4 pointing upward, symbolizing Shiva, the masculine principle, 5 pointing downward, symbolizing Shakti, the feminine principle. Together, they create 43 smaller triangles. A map of cosmic harmony, a mirror of creation itself. The central point, the Bindu, represents the source, the place where everything begins and everything dissolves back. This is not just a design. The Sri Yantra is a living code. Scientists who studied it discovered that its angles and proportions match natural laws of the universe. From the golden ratio found in flowers, to the spiral of galaxies, to the structure of our very DNA, the Sri Yantra contains it all. Ancient rishis in India didn't draw the Sri Yantra as decoration. They saw it in visions. They meditated on it as a doorway to higher consciousness. When you focus on the Sri Yantra, your mind begins to dissolve into symmetry. Chaos disappears. You tune into the rhythm of creation itself. They say, meditating on it awakens abundance, clarity, and inner stillness. Because the geometry rearranges your inner energy, your chakras, your breath, your awareness. In the Sri Yantra, the upward triangles are Shiva, the infinite, the unchanging. The downward triangles are Shakti, energy, movement, creation. When they meet, there is balance. Not masculine against feminine, but masculine and feminine as one. This is the secret of creation. Without union, there is no universe. The Sri Yantra is that eternal dance. Shiva and Shakti spiraling into harmony. But here's the deeper secret. The Sri Yantra is not only the geometry of the cosmos, it is also the geometry of you. Your body is a yantra. Your chakras align with the triangles. Your breath flows through the Bindu. The same energy that spins galaxies also spins within your spine. When you meditate on the Sri Yantra, you are remembering your own original design. Look closely, and you'll see that the Sri Yantra is layered. Each circuit is a step from the outer material world to the inner spiritual source. It is a roadmap, from illusion to truth, from separation to unity, from being human to realizing you are divine. That is why temples in India place the Sri Yantra at the heart of their sanctums. It is a reminder, you are not lost in the chaos. You are part of the grand design. The ancients always paired the mantra with the yantra. Sound and geometry are twins. The Sri Yantra responds to sound vibrations, especially the mantra Aing and the universal Om. When sound meets geometry, energy awakens. The invisible becomes visible. That is why chanting in front of the Sri Yantra magnifies meditation. It is like striking a cosmic tuning fork within yourself. So the next time you see the Sri Yantra, remember, you are not looking at lines and triangles. You are looking at the universe condensed into a single image. You are looking at the balance of Shiva and Shakti. You are looking at the geometry of your own soul. The Sri Yantra is not just drawn, it is revealed. It is the eternal blueprint of existence itself.